Hi guys, just a quick update. I had a fairly quiet week. This is the euro pound. I showed you in the live session I'd taken this. This was a standard breakout and pullback. Got in around 86.70 I believe. Initially had the stop down here, and then I showed you during the live session because we'd had some movement higher. I'd moved the stop and half the risk in here, and it came down and took me out, so that lost half of what I intended to lose, so that wasn't so bad. I have today taken the CAD. Now the CAD, if you will recall, the other week I took this after FOMC, and it was the same area again this week. That was after FOMC. This was news related today. I don't normally trade Fridays, but I was watching this morning, and I was watching this on a 30-minute chart, and a few hours before we got the news release, we started to see this consolidation. So I've taken the trade. I had the stop initially 25 pips away. It's now done 4 times the risk, so that is a 2% gain as opposed to a 1/4% loss on the euro pound. So 1.75 gain for the week, which is fine. It has now done the average daily range. We then had another overreaction, I think, just now recently with some US news. It's probably done for the day now, and what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to close the whole lot. Yes, it could keep going, but we have been stuck in a range recently. What I have been doing mostly this week is managing my hedges on gold and silver. Again, I showed you that in the live training session. Okay, I hope you had a good week. Catch you later. Please like and share this video, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to our channel.